Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today is another powerful tea spray that will help you to grow your hair bushy, longer, thicker. Using this tea spray from now to December, your hair will never remain the same. Your hair will be too thick for you to handle. This tea spray will help to solve that your hair problem like hair fall, thinning hair, bar hair, regrow your hair in crown section, stop itching scalp, dandruff, help you for length retention, because if your hair stop falling, definitely you're going to retain more length. So if the video sound like what I'm interested, keep on watching. First thing is to bring my cleanser. My first ingredient is chebe powder. If you have been sleeping on chebe powder, please wake up and start using this recipe. Using chebe powder on your hair is a game changer. It will help to boost faster hair growth, give you that healthy hair, stop hair fall and hair breakage, and also thicken up your thinning hair. My second ingredient is gloves. Gloves are another good remedy that if you use correctly, you will never regret using gloves on your hair. I use 1 tablespoon of gloves and 1 tablespoon of my chebe powder. My next ingredient is my moringa powder. If you have the fresh leaf of it, you can also make use of it. Okay, so I also put 1 tablespoon of my moringa powder. My next ingredient is my neem powder. I'll also be using 1 tablespoon of it. All these ingredients, they are very powerful, and they are very effective in promoting healthy hair growth. My last ingredient is hibiscus flower. I can't do without hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower helps to prevent premature graying, darken your hair in no time, and promote faster hair growth. After adding my hibiscus flower, next thing I pour in my hot water. I will infuse this for 12 hours as usual. If you are using the fresh ingredients like fresh moringa leaf and fresh neem leaf, you can boil this. Okay, boil it only but 7 to 5 minutes. Bring it down and allow it to cool down before you can strain it. Your tea is ready. But if you are using the powder form like the way I'm using mine, just infuse it for 12 hours or 8 hours. Your tea spray is ready to be used. After infusing mine for 12 hours, you see the water have changed in color. All the ingredients have released their nutrients into the water, and this water is super potent. This recipe is a game changer for you to use it and grow your hair. Only thing you need to do for you to get that faster result in using this recipe, it requires you to be patient. Patience is the key. Don't expect this product to work overnight on your hair, and try to be consistent. Okay, using this tea spray consistent on your hair, you will see a great change on your hair. There are different ways to use this tea spray to get that good result you desire. So what I need to do now is transfer this in my spray bottle so that it can be easy to apply on my hair. Do you see how rich, potent this tea spray look like? This tea spray is indeed rich. The ingredients, they are very potent. Don't let down on this tea spray if you really want to solve that hair problem. If you want to thicken up your hair, if you want to get that bushy hair, if you want to grow that faster hair, don't joke with this tea spray. Prepare this tea spray and use it, and you tell me thank you. So this is how my hair is looking like. I'm going to use this now to apply it on this my cornrows. I like using all this tea spray whenever my hair is in protective hairstyle. In that way, before I take down that protective hairstyle, my hair will never remain the same. I will feel the thickness of my hair, I will feel the length retention, I will feel the healthiest of my hair, because I really take care of my hair whenever it's in protective hairstyle like this. So that's why I always say try to wear protective hairstyle. Protective hairstyle is what will help you to really care for your hair properly, and that protective hairstyle also help you to get more length retention. But if you take care of your hair properly while in protective hairstyle, and while taking the hair down, you are not patiently to take the hair down, you will not going to retain the length that you grow on that protective hairstyle. There are 2 important things that you need to learn how to do them proper way if you really want to grow your hair. Like taking down the protective hairstyle is very important. That's when you know if you're going to retain length or not. Secondly, taking care of your hair while that hair is in protective hairstyle, using a good product that will help you to prevent breakage, help you for length retention. Okay, this tea spray is one of that tea spray that will help you to retain length and also help you to solve your hair problems. DT spray, you can use DT spray 3 times in a week for best results. If you have any problem area consistent of using this DT spray in that area, in a very short period of time, your hair will never remain the same. There is no joke on DT spray. So try to be patient with your hair. Our hair definitely grow, but the problem we are having is length retention. When you are patient taking care of your hair, you're definitely going to retain the length. Okay, so it requires you patience and be consistent. Consistent is the key in anything you are doing in life. Consistent is the key. After applying DT spray on my hair, I like to use my scalp massage to massage my hair. Please make sure that you stay in the moisture with your leave-in condition or your hair butter. Follow up with the scalp massage. Using DT spray, please use it in a warm form, especially if you have low porosity. Warm DT spray before you can apply it on your hair. In that way, it will help to open the cuticles of your hair and it help this product to penetrate very well into your hair and do that good work it meant to do on your hair. Storage. DT spray can last only about 5 days in your refrigerator. Anyone that remaining, please discard it and make a fresh batch. In a very short period of time, your hair will never remain the same using DT spray. Believe me when I said it, you will see a great change on your hair. Okay, I hope this video is very helpful to you. If there's anything I did not cover up on this video, please let me know in comment section below. And please, if you have not subscribed, please help me to click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, please help me to click on that like button. If you have not liked this video and you find this video helpful, please click on that like button. It really encourages me a lot, okay, and it helps the growth of the channel. Lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on today's video. I've come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.